How to log in into Best Buy account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for bestbuy.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Best Buy. Now, to log in to Best Buy, tap on the account drop-down you see there and further tap on the Sign In option. You will now be led to the login portal of Best Buy. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password associated to Best Buy. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password option and recover your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on the Sign In button and with this you will be logged in to Best Buy successfully. You can also log in to Best Buy using your passkey, your Apple account, or your Google account. So, this is how you can log in into Best Buy account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.